My name's Richard. I'm the captain aboard the sailing yacht Ventana, and this is Christina. Where are you? Come on.
Oh, hey guys! Welcome to Ventana. Hope you can hear me. This is our beautiful little table spread that we have going on for you. We're going to just show you around the boat. And I'm going to let Mr. Captain Richard, because, you know, I can't reach the mic unless I'm over here.
It's down here.
I'm going to let him show you around the boat. Let's go take a walk around.
Yeah.
Come on, Captain.
Come on this way. We're going to start forward. It's a great foredeck up here with a lot of space. We've got our trampolines if you like to ride and be close to the water. We've got our some toys out here for towing behind the dinghy and having fun. Lots of paddle boards. Nice little lounge area up here. Just a great place to hang out when we're sailing or at anchor. Come on. Next up, we're going to go up to our fly bridge. And you're going to love this whole space. I'm going to hand Christina the mic right now, and she's going to kind of talk to you a little bit as I show you some things here.
So, we have one of the best features, obviously. It's a lazy day. You don't want to get up.
A refrigerated compartment for your beers and drinks, cold drinks, so you don't have to run downstairs to grab a drink every time. Over here.
Fortunately, I'm not as tall to reach his mouth.
Oh. These tables drop down to lounge height. Covered up, and we have one big lounge area here with both tables dropping down. And if you want cocktails or you want to eat, we just lift them back up. Easy as that.
And this section up here is amazing for lounging. One, you get the breeze. We also have full rain coverage just in case it's a little stormy day. Hanging out. Oops, it's starting to rain. Richard, what are we going to do?
Well, give me a cocktail for the
Fine, that's my job.
No, not really. But we do have full rain coverage, and that is great here, so that if it is raining, we are 100% protected up here. Same with down below in our cockpit area below.
So we're going to do a Ventana white walk.
We'll come around the back side here. Get a full view of the area back here. Our tender with a nice 40 horsepower engine for towing people around on the tubes, and lots of a good staging point for water sports.
Full 8 capacity.
Looking good, looking good. Nice big coolers out here, so we have lots of beers and things chilled down on ice for you. Big floaties.
Thank you, sir.
Big noodles so that you can actually support your whole body weight on the big fat noodle versus the little skinny noodles. Beautiful table spread by Christina. She is so creative, and that is one of the things I love about working alongside her. I think now we'll head inside. I'm going to hand the mic over to Christina.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to open up one of these aft cabins first.
So he's just going to give you a little glimpse of one of the aft cabins right here. By far one of our favorite rooms. We feel like it's outside. It keeps it cool, really nice. And plus you can hide away when everyone's kind of bothering you. And all rooms are come equipped with your ensuite bathroom. We're going to take you to our other little hideaway room. This is the room when you really don't want to be bothered. Wake up in the morning, have your own spot. You don't even have to say goodnight to people.
One of the great features about Ventana is she's got 5 guest cabins, so you could take we could take up to 10 guests, your family or a couple different families, or groups of friends can all vacation together and have their own private cabin with a private bath and shower as well.
Okay, we are now walking you into the galley. Full galley over here. This is where I get all my work done. We have a table inside in case it does rain. Like we said, we do have the full rain coverage, but there's enough seating here to fit 8 people, along with our stools that we use both indoor and outdoor. We're going to take you down to the rest of the staterooms. Once again, an ensuite bathroom. We call this the pink room. And we're going to take you into our other room, which me and Rich are going to claim the movie room at one point. There he is already taking a nap. We haven't bought the TV yet, but apparently it's nap time.
We're done. Oh, well, don't mind me, guys. This is a great cabin. Trust me.
We'll let him be. And we are going to take you to our last cabin on this side, and as well equipped with the ensuite bathroom. And then as you are exiting, this is crew quarters, which is 2 twins. Some families, if we do request that they want maybe kids in there, we're fully on board to, to kind of switch rooms and grab a cabin. But this is the fun room for the kids if they do want, 2 twins or, 2 older teenagers that don't want to share a bed because that's awkward. Okay, we're going to take you guys back out. And we hope you really enjoyed the tour of Ventana. We're super excited. All your 10 packs that come on this boat will fit you, families, couples. There we go. Now we're equal size. Richard, you can also reach the mic now. So
Yes.
Come join us. We're super excited to get you guys to come sail with us.
Yeah, we can't wait.